Knitting front and back, abbreviated to KFB, creates an extra stitch by knitting twice into the same stitch. Begin by inserting the right hand needle into the next stitch on the left hand needle, wrap the yarn around and pull it through, but don't finish the stitch off and leave this stitch on the left hand needle. Instead, insert the right hand needle into the back of the same stitch, wrap the yarn around, scoop it through, and then slide that stitch off the left hand needle. And there you will see that we've created 2 stitches out of 1 stitch. Pattern instructions may suggest that you do a lot of knit front and back stitches along a row, or it may suggest that you knit a few normally in between your knit front and backs. So read the instructions carefully to see how frequently you should do this. But just to show you this again, I'm going to do several all in a row here. So we're going to insert the needle as if to knit the stitch, almost complete it, leave that stitch on the left hand needle, and now we're going to insert the tip of the right hand needle into the back of that stitch, wrap the yarn around and scoop the yarn through the stitch, and then slide that off to create 2 stitches out of 1. And again, pull that loop through, leaving it on the right hand needle, and leave this on the left hand needle. Then insert into the back, around, pull it through, and then slide the stitch off. Let's do that again. Pull that loop through, and then into the back, around, slide the needle down, catch that yarn, pull it through, and slide the stitch off. In through the front, in through the back, and off, in through the front, and back, and off. And you can see I've increased my number of stitches across those few stitches there. And you'll also see that it does create a little line in your knitting, a little horizontal bar, anytime you do this type of increase.